Good morning everyone. Today I am presenting GMinsta, a mini social media application inspired by platforms like Instagram. Social media today feels effortless on the surface, but underneath it's a carefully engineered system. This project is not just about features, it's about understanding how real world applications are built step by step, from idea to deployment. Now I am presenting. So these are the contents: introduction, problem definition and scope, objectives of the system, requirement engineering, system design and UML modeling, system architecture and database design, UI UX design and conclusion. So here is the introduction. GMinsta allows users to create accounts, share posts, like and comment, chat with others. It's built using core software engineering principles like planning, design, coding, testing, and deployment. This project focuses less on scale and more on clarity, understanding how each feature connects behind the scenes. So the next is problem definition and scope. Modern platforms are powerful but too complex for beginners. Students often struggle to understand what actually happens inside these systems. So we define a control scope that allows user authentication, post creation, like and comment system, chat functionality, profile management, admin monitoring. So next will be continued by Chandrakala.
So, good morning, everyone. My teammate Bhagyashree has introduced our project, and now I will continue by explaining the scope of the project and objectives of the GM Insta. The scope of our project includes essential features of modern social media platforms like user registration and secure login, creating and sharing posts, liking and commenting on posts, real-time chat functionality, user profile management, and last admin monitoring and control. These features make a GM Insta both functional and educational, offering a realistic experience of how social media applications works. And coming to the objectives of the system, the main objectives of GMinsta are to create a user-friendly social media application and to enhance communication through posts and chat, to provide a secure user authentication, to store and effectively in database and to apply software engineering principles in real world development to improve practical learning through hands on implementation. In short, GM Insta is not just a social media application, it is also a learning platform that helps students understand the design, development, implementation of real world software systems. Thank you.
Now I am going to explain the requirement engineering of our project GMinsta. First, stakeholders. The main stakeholders of our project are users, admins, and developers. Users, they are use the applications for posting and communication. Admin manage user and control the system. Developers design, build, and maintain the application. Next, functional requirements. These are the functional functions of the system. User can register and log in. User can upload post. User can like, comment, and share post. User can send messages. Non-functional requirements. These requirements include system quality, fast performance, security for user data, easy user interface, reliability of the system, feasibility study. Our project is technically possible, cost effective, easy to maintain. So requirement engineering helps us understand what the system should do. Now I will explain the system design and UML modeling. System design GMinsta follows a modular design. This means each function works separately. easy to manage, easy to update, better performance. Modules of the system. The project has four modules: authentication module, post management module, chart module, profile module. UML diagrams. We use UML diagrams for system planning. Use case diagram shows user interaction with the system. Class diagram shows classes and relationship in the system. So system design helps organize the project clearly.
System architecture. In the system architecture have three tier architecture. In this presentation layer, business layer, and database layer. In the presentation layer, what users sees, the next business layer, logic and processing, and database layer is data storage. And next, technology stack, front end, back end, and the database. In the front end, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript were used. Back end is Node.js or Python, and database is MongoDB or MySQL. Database design, in this main collections are users post comments message. In this, users create post receives comments, and the messages connects the users. A well structured database reduces redundancy and improves performance. Thank you.
UI UX design extend with technical terms. While developing GMinsta, our main focus was to create an intuitive and responsive user interface. We begin we begin with the authentication module, which includes the login and registration pages for secure users access. After authentication, users are redirected to the dashboard or home feed where dynamic content is displayed. The profile module allows user to manage personal data, and the real-time chat interface improves user interaction. Overall, our UI provides a clean design while the UX ensures smooth navigation and better usability. We followed a minimal design approach to reduce user confusion. Consistency layout were used to improve the overall user experience. The design helps user interact with the other application more efficiently. The output explained by Chandrakant.
So now I will be explaining the interface of our application. In our interface, first the login page is the first screen of our application. User can sign in using a Google account or login using a email ID or password. Option we provide a forgot password sign up. And the purpose of this page is provides a secure authentication before assigning the app. And next will be the home page. In that home page, displays of the posts shared by users, features in the users can create a post using what's on your mind, and post include username, image, content, caption, and hashtags. And we provide a like, comment, and dislike icon shows. And the purpose of that acts as the main content feed similar to the Instagram. And the next page is the explore page. In that contents of search bar to find the users, shows a grid of posts or images. It helps to use this explore trending or random content to discover new users and posts, enhance the content discovery. And next will be the profile page. It displays the user details like username, email ID, profile picture, and shows the number of posts, followers, and followings. And options we provide a edit profile, invite users. It manages the user identity and personal content. And next is a navigation bar. It is located at the bottom of the screen. Tabs include home, explore, create, chart, and profile. Allows easy navigation between different features. So GMinsta is a basic social media platform. It includes user authentication, post creations and interactions, content explorations, and user profile management. This system demonstrates how modern social networking app works. And the next is the conclusion of our project will be explained by the Pradeep. Thank you.
To conclude, GMinsta helped us understand the complete software development lifecycle. We worked on requirement analysis, system design, database integration, and front-end back-end implementation. The project improved our technical skills in application development and gave us practical experience in building a real-time software system. It also improved our understanding of user-centered design principles. We learned how different modules communicate within our system. Overall, this project strengthened both our technical and problem-solving abilities. Thank you.